Welcome back to Working Title Models, where we build, review, and bring scale models to life. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of Japan's most capable late war fighters, the Kawanishi N1K2-J Shiden Kai. Known to the Allies as George. This aircraft combined heavy firepower with excellent maneuverability, and in many ways, it was one of the best Japanese fighters of World War II. We'll look at the history, break down the Hasegawa 132nd kit, compare it to other available kits, and talk about what other modelers are saying, plus painting and weathering ideas to bring the aircraft to life. Let's get into it. The N1K2-J Shiden Kai was developed by Kawanishi Aircraft Company as an evolution of their earlier N1K1 floatplane fighter. Shiden Kai translates to Violet Lightning Improved. Introduced in 1944, it addressed major issues from the original design, simplifying the landing gear and improving performance. Key features: 4 20mm cannons, heavy firepower, excellent maneuverability, strong performance at medium altitude. It was flown by Japanese elite units, including pilots like Minoru Genda, and provided capable of going head-to-head with aircraft like the F-6F Hellcat and the P-51 Mustang. Despite its capabilities, it arrived too late and in too few numbers to change the course of the war. Other available kits. If you're looking at building the George, here are the main options. Hasegawa 132nd, this kit, best large-scale option. Hasegawa 148th, widely available, solid tooling. Ashima 172nd, compact and budget-friendly. Bandai 124th, vintage large-scale collector kit. F-Toys Suite 144th, very small scale, often pre-painted or simplified kits. Kit overview. Inside the box, you get crisp recessed panel lines, detailed cockpit with raised instrument detail, separate control surfaces, multi-part landing gear, clear canopy with good clarity, decals for multiple aircraft. The kit reflects Hasegawa's classic engineering, clean, logical, and builder-friendly. Fit and detail. Fit is generally very good, but this is not a modern snap-fit style kit. It rewards careful dry fitting. Areas to watch: wing root joints, engine cowling alignment, landing gear geometry. Detail highlights. The cockpit is solid out of the box, but benefits from upgrades. Surface detail is restrained and accurate. Wheel wells are decent, but not highly detailed. What other modelers say. Across communities like IPMS, Fine Scale Modeler, Hyperscale, common feedback includes: pros: excellent overall shape accuracy, clean molding quality, good base for super detailing. Cons: cockpit could use aftermarket, some older tooling limitations, sparse engine detail. Overall, modelers consider it a very solid, large-scale kit with a strong presence. Painting and weathering. Typical late war Japanese scheme. Upper, IJN dark green. Lower, IJN gray. Weathering opportunities. Heavy paint chipping, common on late war Japanese aircraft. Faded upper surfaces. Exhaust staining along the fuselage sides, oil and fluid streaking. Technique tip: use a silver pencil or chipping fluid for worn areas. Apply layered washes for depth. A flat matte finish for realism. Outro. The Hasegawa 132nd N1K2-J George is a classic large-scale kit. Not the newest tooling, but still a very rewarding build with excellent presence on the shelf. If you enjoy World War II aircraft and want something a little different from the usual Mustangs and Messerschmitts, this is a great choice. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And remember, we're not just building models, we're bringing them to life.